Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Monday, June 16th. We are about 17 minutes until 11 a.m. in the morning. The markets are open, and oddly enough, they are booming. Despite the attacks between Israel and Iran, the markets in the US and really globally are taking off, and crude is down. So when you expect that you know what's going to happen based on a big global event, and the opposite happens, I'm always a little bit nervous and skeptical. With oil reserves in Iran being attacked, with oil tankers in the Red Sea being attacked and on fire off the coast of Saudi Arabia, I would have expected crude oil futures to jump further, as I think a lot of people would have. But we're seeing the exact opposite happen here. Now, clearly, the US government does not want oil prices to go up because that's going to drive up inflation and the cost of goods, cost of manufacturing globally, and it's not good for the economy. So something's happening right now behind the scenes that is driving oil lower, which is very, very strange. That said, it's a one-day kind of anomaly, and these are the types of days where if you're invested and things have shot up, in the case of, let's say, NVIDIA, 2 to 4%, you probably want to take some profits today because it's highly likely there's going to be a pullback. So we're seeing crude futures down 3 and change today, although if we look at our oil stocks, some of them are having a positive day. So Valero's up. Most of the others are in the red, but some of them have been up earlier in the session, including Exxon and Chevron. They've now come into the red, but they were in the green. Tech is just flying high and it's hard to do any wrong right now in technology, which is kind of bizarre, but they're reaching their highs at this point prior to more earnings coming out. So I think we're definitely setting ourselves up for another pullback. And I am very risk averse at this point. Looking at Meta up $21 today to 703, like that's an incredible move. Netflix up above 1200. It's just overpriced in my opinion right now. All of the financial stocks up. There's going to be a pullback in my opinion, and I would and am taking a very risk-averse and cash position and liquidating those shares that I do hold or positions I hold that are in the money and profitable. Good luck in your trades. I hope you're liking the videos, and if you are, please hit the like and subscribe button.